Several months later.
Yeah, we're just out here hanging out. The old 6.5 turbo diesel. Doing a little side mission today. Gonna try and get this thing running again. It's been a little while since it's ran, but anyways, I'm gonna fuck around with it for a little bit. The old turbo still spins. Good girl. Got to check power, see if the fuel pump is not getting power. I got no clicky clacky at the fuel pump, so that's where I'm gonna start. This thing, I thought it ran into diesel years ago, but it's still been leaking diesel this whole time, so...
How dare you!
That leads me to believe that it's probably got diesel in it. But anyways, we're gonna keep on keeping on see what we can find. Anyways, I got my fuel pump rigged up to wires here. Kind of hard to hear, but we'll go for a little walk on the truck here. Anyways, fuel pump works. Got no power to it for some reason, but anyways. You can hear it. So, I'd say she's gonna start. I'm gonna give her a fucking wind here and see what happens. Got a little fuel valve there. She's fucking flowing. Don't smell like diesel, but she'll burn, I'd say. We'll try her out. I got the fuel pump hooked up. Key on, glow plugs warmed up. We'll give her a try without the ether. See what happens. Pop. Come on, old girl, you can do it. Nah, we'll give her the ether treatment. She'll love it. I want to make sure you get her well down and in there. Let her soak right in. Give her a good fucking feed. She'll love that.
He's wasted, Julian.
Oh, I'm running out of ether. That's piss poor. Anyways, we'll give her a go here again. Try and hobble around the truck here, not break my leg again. Let's get on in this bitch. Ready? Come on, you old whore. You can do it. She got enough battery? No, she doesn't. Let the starter just have it. Yeah, no, she ain't gonna start right now, so unfortunately. Okay. Oh, probably would have helped if my fuel pump wires didn't short out. That'd make a big difference now, wouldn't it? Alright, so what we got going on here is the trifecta of battery charging. So I got the old charger hooked to the battery on that side of the truck. It's also then connected to this battery, which then I have these booster cables running down to that battery. So essentially we're going to charge 3 batteries all at the same time. We're going to send this thing, we're going to stress test it. Should be good. See how this works. I'm gonna go get some gas for the car and some more ether, because I'm gonna need ether, that's for sure. And we'll give this a try again. Alright, we're gonna try the old truck here again. No, drop the phone. Anyways, made the connection, pumps on. Come around this way. I got the old boosty boy unhooked for now. And I hooked up a little trigger wire here. I'm just going to hot wire. See? So, take the trusty old CRC starting fluid here. Give her a good lick. And try it. She wants to. She's smoking. She's making smoke. It's a good thing. Come on.
The next day.
Yeah, the fans on the booster sound healthy as fuck. Don't worry about that. Fuel pump on. Okay. One wire I didn't connect back here. I'll hook this up before we can crank her over. No leaks anywhere, no fuel leaks. Alright. Fuck yeah! What a honey! She's smoking a little bit. She hasn't run in a while. She hasn't run in a long time. Fuck yeah, just clean her right the fuck out. She's probably got a lot of fucking ether and diesel all kind of semi-burning up in there, but anyways, how dare you? Ah, she just loves it. She just fucking loves it, I tell ya. What a happy truck. She still fucking sounds pretty good. A little bit of blow by, but not very much. You know, fucking mint. The old 6.5 lives again, boys and girls. It's been many years since this thing ran. Many years. Fuck, does she sound good though. Not bad, a little bit of blow by, but she's pretty fucking, pretty minimal for, you know, something of this caliber. What a fucking honey. Got made a little fuel pump wire set up there. I wonder if she'll quit if I take this off. She'll run out of fuel here in a minute now, probably. Or will she? Gonna prove me wrong, isn't it? Anywho, oh, there she goes. Yeah, so the fuel pump, it was getting no power, and that's why she wasn't starting. But anyways, got the little makeshift setup there. Anywho, she fucking runs. That's all that matters. We're gonna start it up again and see what happens here. Yes, but just out doing a little bit of yard moving and stuff with the old 6.5. First time having her out. Took it quite a while. She's quite the honey. Oh yeah. Oh fuck yeah. Well, she works pretty good. It's pretty wet back here though, I guess too, so I shouldn't stop or anything, but we'll go around the front of the yard here. The old girl to the test. Get her really flexing and leaning.